Hello guys, thank you and welcome into this next video. This is the seventh video that I'm bringing to you to teach you things you need to know about your car or complete free driving school. Everything here I will teach you here. It will be easy for you to sit in any exam and you will write and pass without having any stress. If you are a driver or you need to teach somebody, here is the complete lesson for you to learn. So today what I'm going to teach you today is what we call the gear selector. You know, in the car we have what we call the gear selector. So the gear selector is where we use to change the gear of our vehicle. So in our normal vehicles we have we have 5 gears. We have the first gear, the second gear, the third gear, the fourth gear, the fifth gear, and what we call the reverse gear. So looking at the gear system of the car, or looking at the gear selector, you can see how the gear are positioned. We have the first gear, which is this one. If you can look here, you'll see the first gear. Then down the first gear, you'll see the second gear, you will see the third gear, you see the fourth gear, you see the fifth gear, you see the sixth gear, and you see the reverse. So in the middle of each gear we have what we call neutral, or we call free. When you want to move from, that is, the gear selector has its movement part. When you want to change the gear, when you enter in your car, you take this into your car. This line in the middle, the green line in the middle, is what we call neutral. You free your car on that line. So when you are going to gear 1, you just need to take the gear selector arm, you go like this, you put it to 1. When you want to go to 2, you take it, or when you want to go to 2, when you are here, you have to take it this way and you go down, you have gone to 2. If you have to go to 3, when you are in the middle, you just have to go up to 3, and if you want to go to 4, you just have to go down. If you want to go to 5, you just have to go, you go. If you want to go to reverse, you just have to take the selector and move it this direction. So yeah, those are how the gear selector move. And you know, when you want to, okay, let me say I want to move the gear selector from all the gears. So when you take it 1, 2, you go to gear 1. If you want to leave from gear 1 to go to gear 2, you just have to take 1 here, you go to neutral, 2, you go to gear 2. Then if you are leaving from gear 2 and you are going to gear 3, you just have to take it from gear 3, from gear 2, 1, you go to neutral, 2, you will be in the center, 3, you enter into gear 4. If you want to take it to gear that is gear 3, if you want to take it to gear 4, you take it from 3 here, 1 time down, you go to neutral. The next time you take it to go to 4. If you are leaving from 4 and going to 5, you take it 1 time up, 1 time again to the right, 1 time again, you will go to gear 5. And when you want to take it from 5 to reverse, you just have to come down straight. So there is something I just want you to study, which is very easy. When you are going to gear 1, we have what we call 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. If you are going to gear 1, you take 1, 2. If you are going to gear 2, you take it 1, 2. If you are going to gear 3, you take it 1, 2, 3. If you are going to gear 4, you take 1, 2, and 4. When you want to take it to gear 5, you take it from 4, 1, 2, 3. So that is how the system works. I just want you to know this method of 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. You are going from leaving from gear 1, from neutral to gear 1 is 1, 2. You are leaving from 2, say 1, 2. You are leaving from 2 to gear 3, say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 to 4, 1, 2, 3 to gear 5. So that is how the system works. And if you are going to reverse, you take it 1, 2. That is how the system works. I just want you to study the gear selector very well, and I will be bringing you the next lesson what we need to do. So here is what we call the gear selector. So we have 5 gears. So the first gear, which is gear 1 and reverse, we call them the take-off gears. Those are the only gears in the car that you can take off with those gears. You cannot take off your car with gear 2, you cannot take off your car with gear 3 or gear 4 or gear 5. You take off your car with gear 1 and the reverse. Those are the 2 take-off gears we have in our car. And the next thing we need, and the next gear, which is gear 2 and gear 3, we call them intermediate gears. Those gears, we call them intermediate gear. Gear 1, gear 2 and gear 3, we call them intermediate gear. Then gear 3, that is gear 4 and gear 5, we call them the cruising gear. I just want you to know all these things as you see on the board. We have gear 1 and reverse, take off, gear 2 and 3 intermediate, gear 4 and 5, we call it the cruising gear. I just want you to know. Then whenever you want to start the car, you make sure the car should be on neutral. The neutral is the green line you are seeing here. That is what we call the neutral. Always make sure that your car will be on neutral before you can start your car. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This lesson, I will bring you the next lesson, which is lesson 8. We talk about the key switch. So we are taking one after another. We are taking everything one after another. After the key switch, we will know the next lesson to take. So thank you guys for watching this video. I would like you to watch and subscribe, share it to your friends, and we will meet again. And I will be bringing you past question concerning this. So let me ask some question. The first gears, gear, that is gear 1 and the reverse gear are called dash. We call them the take-off gear. Gear 2 and 3 are called dash. Gear 2 and 3, we call them intermediate gear. Gear 4 and 5, they are called the cruising gear. I just want you to know which gear do you take off your car with, gear 1 or reverse. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe and share. Thank you.